What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for PALANTIR Technologies with the ticker symbol PLTR. Remember that if you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Before we begin, please take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed and liked my videos. Just a reminder that this video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So unfortunately, I won't be giving any long-term, well, not long-term, but a bullish target, just because we are in a downtrend. If I see a reversal, I'll give you guys an update and I'll look for bullish targets. But as of right now, I'm looking for bearish targets because the market has been going down since November of 2021. And you can see that we are below the EMA. The EMA is pointing down. And this is a aggressive selling right here. So it looks like this channel is in play currently. And we just got our third touch back on, it looks like, the 12th of this month. And that led to a more aggressive selling. So this downtrend channel is in play. And it fits the price action pretty good. And there's also another channel in play that's even more aggressive. You can see that this one is also in play. And it's even more aggressive, meaning the yellow channel is shallower, and the green channel is steeper. So it looks like wherever they're trying to go, or whoever's trying to bring this market down, is trying to get there quicker. So we could see a rally sooner than expected, just because we are going down faster. So the reversal is most likely going to be faster. So as of right now, I'm still expecting lower prices. I'm pretty sure the person who went long right here, you can see this green bar. People are trading this, trying to pick bottoms, and their stop loss is right below this green bar, and it's at that $11.71 level. And you can see that prices went up just a little bit, and now you can see sellers come in the market. So it looks like these sellers are trying to take out the stop loss for this person who went long right here, because it was a very aggressive long, because it looks like we did get a bounce from the support side of the channel, just like we did previously. However, the sellers are in control, so it looks like the price action couldn't correct back to the resistance side of the channel. So it looks like they might just push down one more time before seeing a reversal back up. So I'm expecting prices to enter the $11 range again. So I'm pretty sure they're going to stop this person out, and that's at the $11.71 level. But from there, they might even continue lower, probably into the low $11 level. And maybe there we'll get a bounce back up from here to there. But we'll have to just wait and see. They might just want to break this entire green and yellow channel, maybe like right over here. So we'll see for that. But my targets are ready. My first target was already surpassed, because I was expecting prices to reach, I believe it was the right around that $14 level, I believe. I'll show you guys again. So this was the range that Palantir was inside of for a long time. And whenever we get a breakout side of the range and it's successful, see, previously these break outside of the range, these fake breakouts, were not successful. You can see we fell back inside the range. So the range is this sideways action. Now we did have a successful breakout. See, it broke outside of the sideways action and it went in a formation of a downtrend. And then whenever we get that, usually prices make a leg or a distance the same size as the previous range size. And that target was right at the $14.54 level. So we surpassed this. So this move is stronger than I thought. So we are still continuing lower. So now I'm looking at another target in play. So that would be the first leg down right here. And this could be potentially the second leg down, because the market losing twos. And this target is right at the $10.34 level. And we're pretty close to it. So this could be a last selling before we see a reversal. However, it also could not be, so we'll have to wait and see. But my target for right now, Palantir, is at the $10.34 level. And it makes sense because you can see that this was right at the IPO area. And this is where the up move started. So whenever we have a up move and there's no follow through, you can see that we had this huge up move. And then it just kind of sold off, and now we're moving sideways. So it looks like we're coming back down right to the starting point, and that's pretty much right where this $10 target is. So that's why I'm expecting prices to reach this level. Let's put a horizontal line right there and see where So you can see that it's right back near the IPO price and near this little consolidation pattern before we had the breakout. So it looks like prices are coming right back to the breakout, because there's people who went long over here. You can see that this up move, people are already in this trade at the $10 level prior, and their stop losses are all underneath here. So if they didn't get out of their position, they're probably already at break even right now, and possibly they could be entering some stop losses could be hit fairly soon, and that's below the $10 level into the $8 level. So people who, because there's buyers over here, there's buyers previously that were still in the market, so maybe they got out over here or over here or over here, but if they didn't, then prices are coming right back to their initial position to take their break even or hit their stop losses. So even if we reach that $10 level, they might even want to break lower to reach the $8 level. So that's still not out of sight, because this downtrend still is in play. So as long as this downtrend is intact and doesn't show any signs of weakness, then we're going to continue lower to reach those targets. So you can see that the sellers are showing signs of strength, because look at the selling has increased in aggression. It's even steeper than previously before. See, this yellow channel was the price fluctuation, but now we're inside of a green one, and it's fitting the channel, it's fitting the price action pretty nice. So that's probably where they want to go to, the targets right here, and quicker. So that's what I have for Palantir. You can see that this company sold off quite a lot already. Think about, usually most stocks that crash are like around that 80 to 85% level, maybe even the 90. So Palantir is right at the 73. So if it reaches my target, it's at the 77, and if it reaches those $8 levels at the 82, so that could be the all-time low for this company. We'll have to wait and see, but normally when we see a crash, it's right around that 80 to 85%, 80 to 90%. That's on average. So that's why I'm sticking to lower prices. There's a lot of factors I just listed for prices to continue lower. I don't see any bullish signs as of right now. The bullish sign is that we are near all-time lows, but the downtrend is still intact and the momentum is pretty strong to the downside. So that's why I'm leaning a lot more towards the bulls, the bears than the bulls as of right now. So that's what I have on the daily chart. And let me show you guys one more thing. I'm pretty sure you guys think I'm crazy for even showing you this, but technically it's possible, and that is that Palantir can reach the $1 level. So I'm gonna show you guys why. So you can see that this was one huge leg down, and then we had pretty much a perfect two-legged correction in between. You can see that was the first leg up, and then this would be the second leg up. Almost reached that target back here. Palantir had a little double top and was too weak to reach it and sold off. So it's pretty close though. This market isn't perfect. So if I drag the first leg to the correction, you can see that the target is right at the $1.70 level. So is there a chance Palantir can reach there? Maybe like a 1% chance. But just remember who said, or who even thought of that Palantir could reach the $1.70 level, because it is technically possible. Is it going to reach there? Probably not. I'm way more sure that we're going to reach the $10 level, and maybe not even the $8 level. But I think we're really going to at least reach the $10 level. So just remember, if we're like continuing to drop like a stone, the $1.70 level is technically possible. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart for Palantir, and you can see that it shows a summarized viewpoint of what I'm talking about, where we are coming back to the starting point of the up move, because there was some little consolidation here and we had a breakout. So it looks like it's coming right back to that breakout, which is right at that $10 level, the low $10 level. So over here is the IPO price and probably a lot of stops that could be hit. So it looks like they're coming back to it. You can see that there was a up move, a consolidation, and now in a down move reversal. So looks like they're coming right back to the starting point of this entire up move. So we're gonna see if they're gonna just stop at the starting point, which is right at the $10 level of the breakout, or they want to exceed it and stop out everybody who went long over here and enter the $8 level. So those are possibilities. We'll have to wait to see what Palantir wants to do. Can the market just reverse from here Yes, but it's very unlikely because of these two channels that I showed you on the daily chart, the yellow one and the green one, that are still working lower. And I'll be surprised if you don't stop out that person who went long, like I showed you, at that $11.75 level. I'll be very surprised if they don't. So I think we're gonna continue lower, especially after we stop that person out. So that's all I have for Palantir. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn with the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time and bye.